Good morning, students. Welcome. Today we learn about shortcut keys of Tally with the combination of control key. Last class also we learn about shortcut keys in combination of control key. Control A, B, C, E, L, I, O. Like that we learned and practiced with example also. Today we are learning about the shortcut keys with the combination of control key O for selecting go downs whenever we are at the creation of stock groups, stock categories, stock items, stock vouchers, and stock units of measure. We remember to create any go down, then we can directly press Control O. Then opening of creation of go down window will be appeared. Then we can create the go downs. Next, control Q is very simple. Earlier we used to press backspace to come back, and now simply press control Q to come back. And at last, when you press control Q, automatically you can quit from Tally. So control Q is for going back as well as quitting from all the screens without any changes of the present screen. And control S, here I wrote to stock masters, but the latest version it is giving for search options. Please check with that. Okay. Control U is units of measure. Whenever we are at inventory info consists of stock groups, stock categories, stock items, units of measure. And at the creation and alter of all these, if we press Control U, then automatically creation of units of measure will be appeared. Then Control V is for voucher types. We can create vouchers at any screen itself. Then Control plus Alt plus R for rewrite data for a company. And we send our data for auditing. Auditor changed some changes. That changes is incorporated in our company. Simply then press Control Alt plus R and give the source from where the audited files are available. Automatically the data will be rewrite to our company. So we practice the shortcut keys of Control O, Control Q, Control S, Control U, Control V, and Control Alt plus R. Okay. Then this is the these are questions we selected for practicing. Question number 22 and 23. As usual, opening balances we are entering, and these transactions we are using Alt C for creation of ledgers automatically at voucher entry screen. Then steps which are involved in this are creation of company, creation of groups, ledger accounts. So in this problem, we had go down creation, units of measure creation, and stock items creation, later voucher entry. So we open Tally. We create a company. Alt F3 for creation of company. Here I will press Control Alt plus R. See that. Rewrite company. Okay, this RAM Enterprises is there, which I sent for editing. I am asking for rewrite. Yes, I would like to rewrite. Yes. So I have to give the source where it to be rewrite. Then this will be given. destination is C drive, then I press yes, it is rewriting the company. That is Control Alt plus R. Then Alt plus F3. Already we create a new company, problem number 23 and 24. Same name, India. We are selecting every time new company because ledgers will be repeated, overwritten. That's why we are creating new company. So I am pressing Control A for select accounts info, ledgers, multiple, create, minimize. Okay, then right. Show all items. All items, furniture, under fixed assets, 20,000, machinery, under fixed assets, 1 lakh, buildings, under fixed assets, 2 lakhs, capital, under capital accounts, bills payable, under current liabilities, 60,000, debtors, sundry debtors, 1,60,000, trade creditors, sundry creditors, Control A, Control A. What's okay, right? Directly we had go downs creation. We will go for inventory items. Next locations, single location. Only Delhi go down is there. Under main location only. Yes. Next units of measure. Control U. Yes. No need to go back. Control when I press Control U, just I will show you. Okay, 1 minute. Control Q for go back. Now what? Now I have to create units of measure. So I am at the creation of go down unit location. Now I want to create. Now I want to create units of measure. Simply I can press Ctrl U here, or I have to go back to inventory info and select the units of measure. 3 steps backward I have to move. Instead of that, directly in creation of stock items, stock ledger, okay, I can invoke the units of measure window. That is the advantage of shortcut keys. Control Q back. Units of measure. Create simple only number, formal name number, no decimal places. Yes. Control Q. Then Control Q. Stock items. We'll try at units of measure when we press I, Control I, can we get invent stock item or not? We'll check with that. Control I. Yes, we got. Okay. So the beauty of the shortcut keys are no need to go back. When you are at a particular screen, you have to invoke any other screen. Remember the shortcut keys. Okay. We have to show you once again. Control Q, go back. So the first one is locations. At creation of location, I will create one more location, that is Hyderabad. Under main location only. So I am at a location. Now I want to create units of measure. Simply I have to press Ctrl U. Now I am at units of measure. Now I want to create stock item. Press Ctrl I. Simple. Okay. Television. These shortcut keys saves our time. We don't have any group. Here also we can invoke a group. Alt C, if I press group, we'll try for that. Group creation, electronics, primary. Yes. Control A for accepting the button. I created a group, stock group, yet stock item creation. Okay. Stock category also I can. And units of measure I created, and any quantity not applicable. Standard rates, stock tracking. Okay. All these we can. So we completed creation of go down, creation of stock item, creation of units of measure without going back to inventory info by using control keys. The control key U is used for stock units of measure, I is used for stock item, and which is okay, right. Then going for voucher entry. Don't press control, don't press escape. What we have to press? Control Q to go back. Voucher entry. Accounting vouchers. Anil bought cash towards capital. We forgot to enter cash 10,000 rupees. We will do that. Control Q. Go to accounts info. Go to ledgers. Alter. Select cash. Give opening balance 10,000. Because cash is created by tally. Just we have to append the opening balance. That's all. So now voucher entry screen. Control Q for go back. Vouchers. Receipt voucher F6. Cash to capital. Amount is 75,000. Capital. Narration. The bank account is debited. Okay, right. Escape. Capital. Here I have to select cash. Second one is deposited into bank. We don't have bank account. So entry is bank account data to cash account. Cash is 60,000. And here I have to go for all creation of ledger account, bank, under bank accounts. Automatically appear. Bank 60,000. Narration is a cash deposited into bank. Next, goods purchased. F9 purchases. F9 purchase voucher. You select as voucher. Use the reference number 101. Select cash purchases. We don't have cash, I think. Yes, we will go for cash. Amount is 16 lakhs. Okay, no problem. Purchases. I have to select purchases, but I don't have purchase account. Then shortcut key creation of purchases. Under purchase account, inventory values affected, yes. Type of ledger, leave it. Allow cost allocation, leave it. Bank details, yes. Purchases. Now it is asking for quantity. Already we created television, that is for Delhi location. Quantity is 400, I think. Yes. Rate is 4,000 for each television. Numbers automatically selected. 16 lakhs automatically calculated. So we can append the narration. Television sets are purchased. I'm sorry. It is purchased from Ganesh. Okay. So instead of cash, I have to write Ganesh account data to purchase account. I will change. Okay, I'll see Ganesh sundry creditor who is supplying goods to us. See the voucher. Voucher I already passed. No, I think voucher already passed. I think. Right. Okay, next these goods were sold to Hari. Sales F8 as a voucher 201 Hari account data to sales account. That's why we have to create Hari account or HARI Hari sundry data Hari amount is 10 lakhs. sales. We don't have sales ledger account. Under sales accounts. Right. Now we have to select the item. Television sets. Which location? These sets are located at Delhi. Go down. Quantity is 200. Rate is 5,000. Measured in numbers 10 lakhs. Direction is simple. Right. Now we paid some amount to Ganesh. Payment voucher. So Ganesh to bank or Ganesh to cash. Ganesh amount is 6 lakhs and amount is cash. Oh, more amount. Right. Now we received 8 lakhs from Hari. 6 to Hari. 8 lakhs is cash. Cash received from Hari. These are the regarding using the shortcut keys while practicing the problems. Okay, students, and we learn shortcut key Control O, selection of godowns. Control Q, continuously we are practicing that one. Control U, units of measure. Control V is control plus alt plus R also we selected at the creation of company. Control V is selecting the vouchers. Here I will press Control V. Control V is for so what is the shortcut key for go back? Control Q. Go for one creation of alt, then press Control V. See, when the creation of ledger accounts, when I want to create any voucher, we have format vouchers are already there, but we want to create any vouchers, then we can select the button Control V. Okay. Then what is the shortcut key for go back? Control Q. Control Q. Control Q. Control Q is quitting the tally. Then I want to open tally again. Control S button in this ERP9 is showing the selection of search button. It is here. It is searching the vouchers for audit purpose. Any changes you want to do, it is giving the information about this one. Okay. Control Q. Go back. So these are the students. These are the shortcut keys which we are familiarizing with these shortcut keys to move fast or to make our work simple while practicing the tally or while doing the problems in tally. Okay, what we learned today? Control O for selecting godown set at creation of inventory items, and Control Q is for quit or exit from the present screen without making any changes. Control S is for search only, And control U is for creation of units of measure. While you are at the creation window, alteration window of group items, stock group, stock categories, stock items are at stock vouchers. Control V is selecting the voucher types. When you are creating any vouchers, any ledger accounts or stock item, you remember to create a new voucher item, simply press Ctrl V, you can create the voucher. Then Alt plus Control plus Alt plus R is rewrite data for a company. This option is available at gateway of Tally only. Okay, students. So these are the shortcut keys we learned today while practicing the problem 22 and 23 of our question bank using these steps. Steps are all these nine steps are compulsory we have to follow. And sometimes we are unable to get accounting groups and stock groups depends upon the ledger accounts and stock items. And next report generation. What are the items which we have to create under the groups we categorized, and stepwise we did this one. And these reports we can generate. We generated earlier many reports. Okay, don't forget to students. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. When you subscribe, then you will get the updates or the video which I uploaded. You will get immediately for view. Okay. Bye, students.